welcome to the fascinating world of traffic signals. Today we are responding to a call of a camera down the road that we maintain that doesn't seem to be picking up vehicles properly. So let's go see if it's some loose screws or maybe it's a camera issue. Let's go check it out. All right, hopefully y'all can see good, but I've already done pre-trip on both of these trucks. This one's not as reliable, and since I won't have a ground guy, I'm gonna take this bucket truck. So I'm gonna get this one moved out the way. I'll get loaded up into this guy and we'll get headed out there. First things first, let's go ahead and get harnessed up while we're at the laydown yard so we don't have to do that while we're sitting in traffic. So I'm gonna throw this harness on, load up my tools into this truck, and then we'll get down the road and get to that camera. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get our laptop, our tools, and everything we might need on this over to this bucket truck. We'll get it set up. We'll get moving on this guy. Some air pod, so that's lovely. But got that. Just hold on to our keys, lock up our truck, grab the backpack. And guys, it is extremely hot out right now, so let's go ahead and bring a couple waters with us. Ooh, even maybe one of them Monster Energies, but let's get some waters going because it is warm today, it is hot out, and y'all gotta stay hydrated. Go ahead and drink a little bit. Window down as quick as possible. Throw the keys to the side. Woo! Gotta get this truck moving. Moving and grooving, dude. This thing, it is hot out. Let's go take care of this thing though. Alright, so we need this truck to get set up to reach this camera here. Want to get where that white car is. But I might not have to. I might have enough room on the grass over here. I definitely do. Turn on our strobes. And we are here. We have arrived. Try to touch everything else, make sure everything's tight. Oh, we tighten that one good. Tightened up all these a little bit better. This guy's a bit loose. We can go down here and just check all the Astro bracket stuff. Back into a little more tighter. Guys, should be tight, should be good. All right, now that we got that done, let's get back to the truck. Oh, touchdown, landed perfectly. All right, guys, let me get back out of this bucket, get it to the laptop, get this truck pulled around to that cabinet, and we'll go take a look at that guy. All right, guys, we are back at the cabinet, and let me take a look in here. I'm about to get my laptop hooked up, but look what the city left a little note for us. They said what they did right here, and look, if you're a city and you're calling out contractors or anything, if you're doing any kind of work in these cabinets, a note like this is the most perfect ideal. Really helps the next tech that's coming into this cabinet for repairs. And you can tell that they changed it from 30 seconds to 20 seconds on max 1 on phase 4, which is the phase that had the messed up camera. And they say you need to change it back once the camera's repaired. So camera straightened back up. Let's get the laptop hooked up to the CCU and get it checked out. Also, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And I'm out here dying in the heat to take care of this great city and make some content for you guys. Make sure to hit the like button. So I am hooked up to the CCU, and it may be hard for you guys to see what's on the screen, but you can tell that these zones and that's on the camera I just tightened up. They're all twisted, so that camera was twisted. I got it tightened back down, but in a different position. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these zones, move them back over on the lanes for presence detection, and then have these guys running right. Guys, I'll tell y'all what, all I'm doing is standing here working with this laptop at the moment, and I got sweat dripping down my back. Y'all definitely stay hydrated and stay safe in this. But as you can see, I went ahead, I got these zones adjusted. Let's go ahead and hit this send button, and that sends all of this new configuration to the CCU, which will then have them hooked up right, and this presence detection at this intersection will be working. So we got that camera straightened up, set up right. Detection is gonna be working. That's what we got called about, and that's what we're here for. And man, I'm just sweating. All right, guys, and as y'all can see now with those new zones in and with no vehicle present, we're no longer getting a call stuck on phase 4. So we'll also watch and see when a car hits that approach, a vehicle approaching the stop bar out here right behind me. Now let's check it out, and we are getting a call onto phase 4. So that's working exactly like it should. And then let's also go ahead and go back into phase data, vehicle times, go over to the max time on phase 4 and change that back to 30 seconds. So that the proper timing is set up in this controller, detection's working, and we're good to go enjoy our weekend. And we are back at the laydown yard, got the trucks locked up and closed up, and just like I was never here. I hope y'all enjoyed coming along with me to a little bit of a technician's troubleshooting video. Glad we got that camera sorted out. Looks like there's a couple other things we may have to do at that intersection. We'll take care of that during the work week. And as always, y'all have a great weekend. And as always, thanks for watching.